Good afternoon, sir. My name is Grishma Praful Wankhede. My company name is Sun Infotech Private Limited. In this week, या वीकमध्ये सर आम्ही प्रोजेक्ट बनवला. त्यामध्ये किसान ॲप बनवत आहे. त्यात ॲडमिन पेज, नंतर सिंगल पेज, प्रोडक्ट ॲडमिन पेज आणि अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन सरनं टाकली आणि ते प्रोजेक्टचं काम चालू आहे.
Next.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Prathamesh Khandare. I am working in State Bank of India's customer service point, which is at Sasti. In this week, I get information about IMPS, and then I done money transfer from SBI account to the another bank account using IMPS. After that, I get information about card-based services. So I performed many transactions on the basis of cards, and at the end, I done the deposit of loan of a SBI customer.
Okay, next. Kapil.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर. मासेफ कपिल तडी. सर मी कस्टमर सर्व्हिस सेंटर SBIच्या चोरटा बाजार येथे काम करत आहे आणि मागच्या हप्त्यापर्यंत आमचं सगळं शिकवून झालेलं आहे. तर जे आतापर्यंत आम्ही शिकलो तेच या हप्त्यात आम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट केलं आहे आणि AEPS ट्रान्झॅक्शन आणि लोन रिकव्हरी केली आहे.
Okay, you can exit from this link and join to the main stream, that is your YouTube. Okay, so where you can put your roll number for attendance purpose. Okay. Shravani सुरू कर.
Yes, sir. Myself, Shravani Wankhede. For this industrial training, I belong to Prima Things. So this is our last week of industrial training. That is from 8th of August to 13th of August. In this week, we perform various tasks like we make our website live on Netlify, and after that, they give us some topic for writing an article. Then we completed these tasks and submitted it to the mentor.
संकेत प्रजापति.
Sir, am I audible?
Continue.
Sir, I am. Okay, sir. Sir, I am Internet Primating Technologies Private Limited. I started internship on 4th July and its official end on 17th August. My work done in this week are they organize a meet with us and knowing our project and knowing about our project. Then we will show them our project and they suggest us some improvements in our project. Then we will make some changes in our project. Then after that, we submitted our project to industrial person. Then they call meeting with us on 17th August. Then at that day they will give us they will give us internship completion certificate and its official end on 17th August.
Which industry you have?
Primating Technologies Private Limited.
Primating. Okay. Email you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Next 5 students, they can join. कॅमेरा ऑन करायचा आहे. जॉईन करताना कॅमेरा ऑन ठेवायचा. डोंट पुट युअर कॅमेरा ऑफ. and that should be the continuous practice. If you can't put your camera on, I will remove you. Okay, Vishwajit Ingole, continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Vishwajit Ingole. I am doing my internship at Sun Infotech. In this 6th week, we started our web project development. We created our project using Java and HTML in Eclipse. Our web project is to display information and add information and tell information about our products to farmers. And we created a few modules and web pages for it, like sign up, login, and dashboard. It is, and we are still working on it.
Okay. Yash Banait. इंगोले आवाज येतो का यांचा?
नो सर, नाही येऊ राहिला.
हा इंगोले झालं तुझं, तू जाऊ शकतो.
Hello, sir. आवाज
हा,
येतोय
बोल.
सर आता?
हो.
Sir, I am Yash Banai, sir. I'm currently doing my internship in Primathing. So, sir, in this week, we make changes in our website and correct the errors. And lastly, we host our website online in online platform and wrote the article and etc. Sir, that's
Which industry?
Primathing.
Okay. Yes, continue.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Savi Dhogde, roll number 12. I am pursuing my internship in Mounted Solution, and I have completed 6 weeks of internship in Android development. In 6th week, we have learned about SMS telephony, in which we can send messages through app to the mobile that we give as input, and converting text to speech using various functions like intent, toast message, and on destroy method, and text to speech method for its conversation. And after completion of all tasks, we have successfully created the app.
Which company? Savi? Which
Done,
company?
Mounted Solutions.
Okay. Yes, Bhumika, continue.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Bhumika Thakare and I did my internship at Primathink, a private limited company, Amravati. So, sir, this week we first discover some new features about the domain and the application on which we made our website live, that is Netlify. Then we learned about some new topics in CSS, that is bootstrap method. Then, sir, we started working on our article, which was given as a task from the company. And finally, we made, using all the things we learned throughout our whole internship, we made our website and deployed it. Thank you.
Vishwajit Deshmukh.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I am Vishwajit Deshmukh. I am doing internship in the Sun Infotech. In the last week, we started a project. The project name is the Kisan app, and we added it, and we use the languages Java and HTML. We add the product file, product page, admin page, login page, and we're still working on it project.
Okay, you can leave. Can leave and join the mainstream of YouTube. Just waiting for next students. Put your camera on while join. Pranali Gullane, put your camera on, mic on. What is your roll number?
15 roll number.
50?
15.
जोरात बोल.
I am Pranali Gullane. My roll number is 15. I am doing internship in Prima Think. I joined Prima Think on 28 June. In this week, we are published the website on online, and we are completed development phase. And they give the some article to write down. They also submitted.
रोल नंबर किती आहे जयचे?
Sir, 17, sir.
17.
Yes, sir.
काय कुठली कंपनी आहे?
Sir, Prima Think.
काय काम केलेलं सांग?
Sir, in this week, sir started work on the hosting of website, and task of the writing the article on the best restaurant in the Mumbai was allocated, and sir, this task of the writing article is submitted, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir. I am Pranav Egu, and I am intern at Prima Think Private Limited. And so, firstly, our meeting has been held and discussion on the completion of project, and then declare that the project has been completed and discussed with the sir and submitted the task. And on the 17th August, we are taking our certificate of completion of our project and internship.
Okay. Gaurav Masan, what is your roll number?
Sir, my roll number is 16.
16. 7. Just continue.
Sir, my name is Gaurav Masan. This week starts from the 8th August to the 13th August. From 8th August, we have learned front-end designing using HTML, CSS. On 9th August, we have learned about servlet, container, and servlet, and the difference between the servlet and servlet container. And on 10th August, we have learned about JSP and difference between the JSP and servlet and JSP. On 11th August, we have learned about working on JSP and JSP web apps, which are created using JSP. On 12th August, we have done the project work developing servlet classes and JSP logic. And on 13th August, we have tested the whole project which we have developed.
Okay. Rathod.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Bhavesh Rathod. Now I am completing my 6-week internship at Microsoft just completed errors occurred. Then we have just submitted the project to the
Okay, you can leave. and join the mainstream of YouTube.
Sir, my roll number is 16.
Yes, yes. हाँ, आकांक्षा चालू कर.
Sir, myself, Akanksha Devendra. सर आम्हाला सरांनी या वीक मध्ये आर्टिकल दिलं होतं आणि ते आर्टिकल आमचं सबमिट झालेलं आहे.
वैदेही तुला ऐकवायला तिचं सगळं काही? मला रिपीट कर बरं. मला नाही ऐकवायला काहीच.
आताच जॉईन झाली आहे सर.
बर, मला नाही ऐकवायला. आकांक्षा परत चालू कर.
सर myself आकांक्षा देवेंद्र जोडले.
वैदेही मला रिपीट करेल ना. बोल
आवाज नाही येते का सर?
बोल बोल.
सर मायसेल्फ आकांक्षा रवींद्र जोंधळे. माझ्या कंपनीचं नाव प्रायमाथिंग आहे सर. आम्हाला सरांनी आर्टिकल दिलं होतं आणि ते आर्टिकल आम्ही पूर्ण केलं आणि सबमिट केलं.
वैदेही चालू कर.
Yes, sir. I am Vaidehi Malkade. I am doing my internship from Primathing Technology Ltd. This is our last week of internship. This week started from 8 August and ended at 13 of August. This week I have done about the deployment phase, make changes in the list of paths according to sir. I worked on a deployment phase and corrected the errors that occur during the hosting of website and hosted the website.
सध्या कॅमेरा बंद नका करू. म्यूट करा. हाँ, हांडे चालू कर.
Sir, I am Aryan Hande. I am from Sun Infotech company and we will do the work in 6 weeks. JDBC connection to servlet, web page connect to servlet, connection and working with JSP, and then we create two or more web pages to connect one application.
ठीक है. Yes, you can leave now. कर कंटिन्यू.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Gauri Pandey. I am pursuing my industrial training from Sun Infotech Amravati. Following are the updates of 6th week industry internship. In this week, our project work was started. We designed a admin login and admin sign up page through HTML and CSS. We developed servlet class and JDBC class logic for given module. We developed Java bean logic for given module. Further, we learned JSP logic and connection logic for given module. At last, we tested developed code for given module as unit testing.
ठीक है. You can leave and join the mainstream.
Yes.
This stream is going to be offline in 5 minutes. You can join 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. roll number 23 is not able to join his device. Prachi Ghongde. So before entering into the stream, you must put your camera on. Why you are not putting your camera on? I don't know. Yes, continue.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Prachi Ghungde. I did my internship in Sun Infotech Technologies. We've completed our 6 week of internship. In last week, we learned about servlet lifecycle and its method. We worked on servlet container and server. We also worked on working with JSP web apps. Currently, we are developing one Kisan app. In that, we developed JDBC logic and Java Bean logic. And in the last week, we successfully submitted that code file to the mentor.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you can disconnect and join the mainstream.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, continue. What is your roll number?
Sir, I'm receiving my internship from Sun Infotech Private Limited, Amravati. In this week, this is 6 weeks started from 8 August and end to 13 August. In this week, I will start work on project, develop front-end designing using HTML, CSS, and back-end designing using JavaScript, using advanced Java, JDBC, and JSP logic. And completed some modules, work on web pages, and almost work is completed of project.
साक्षी रोडे का बरं बंद केलेला कॅमेरा? तुम्हाला समजत नाही का इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश भाषा
सॉरी सर फॉर लेट.
लेट वगैरे काही नाही आहे, पण जेव्हा जॉईन करता ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही कॅमेरा ऑन ठेवायला पाहिजे ना. बोला.
Yes sir. Hello sir, myself my name is Sakshi Rode, Prima Things. 6th week on started 8 August and end on 13 August. 8 August according to sir corrected the link path of the business. 9th August completed the correction in paths. 18 August work done deployment phase of website. And 11 August corrected the error occur during hosting. 12 August solve the problem of hosting, and 13 August hosting complete and project completed.
You can leave and join the main. Okay, these students now considered as absent. So we will end this stream in 1 minute. Yes, Samya Kalaskar trying to enter and join but without camera on. कळसकर.
Hello, sir.
चला फटाफट चालू करा.
Sir, my name is Samyak Kalkar. I am in Primating Private Limited company. I have in this week I have completed my project task and submitted, and article task is also submitted.
ठीक आहे. ओके, 17 तारखेला तुम्ही येणार आहात, सगळे जॉईन करत आहात कॉलेज. तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही तुमचा रिपोर्ट सोबत घेऊन यायचा आहे. ह्या रिपोर्टमध्ये मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी आय हॅव गिवन सम पॉईंट्स अँड हाऊ द गाईडलाईन्स ऑफ युअर रिपोर्ट, and you can submit this report on 17 only. After 17 I will not accept your report. The report should be in a binding format. 15 to 20 and 20 to 25 pages should be there in the report, including your index, then certificate, then acknowledgement, and the industry certificate. The certificate is given by your इंडस्ट्री पर्सन. कोण त्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जे काही डायरेक्टर वगैरे असतील तर त्यांनी ते अलॉट करून दिलेले असतील. ठीक आहे. सो 17 तारखेला तुम्हाला कळत असेल, 17 तारखेला सगळ्यांनी सबमिट करायचे आहेत. 17 तारखेच्या नंतर सबमिट करण्याची गरज नाही आहे तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे ना. सो I think all of you understood this one. If not, if you have some questions, then you can join and ask me the question. You can directly ping that particular link I have given you. Then enter and ask one question. Because this is a final session. After this session, I will not conduct any online session. That all the sessions should be offline. Okay. So you know everything about the project report, not the project actually, internship report, and how that should be. You know that. The contents of that report I have already given you. If you have any doubt, you can join, and also you can put a chat so that I will display that chat. That means that comment onto the screen. So I think no one have doubt, and on 17 all students should submit their report. So one thing is that when you go for that particular weekly report on that form, you can save that form into PDF. Okay, you can attach that PDF file, take a printout and attach that PDF file into your report also. Okay, so if possible, I think ये तो होगा ही. इसी सभी ने मैंने वहाँ पे एक टैब भी दिया था सेव करने के लिए, तो you can save that PDF and attach to your report also. Okay, so if you don't have any problem or any question, then I will end this session. Okay, so we'll end this session. Meet you tomorrow. कल आना ही है आपको, सभी लोगों को कल आना है, तो कल मिलते हैं. Till then, goodbye and have a good day.